So this was from one of the taster sessions. It wasn't this particular thing. What the artist did was dragonflies, and so I did a little dragonfly in here, but I'd initially done this, and it was just like, but you haven't followed the specific instructions that she'd put, and it's just like, that's how I work. But what I like to do is take elements, so I like the idea of so you've gessoed the whole page, and then you put down your image. There's been some really beautiful images online in the classroom and in the taster session classroom, and if you sign up to Lifebook 2021, you'll get all the taster sessions free. Anyway, so I'm gonna see how much time I'm gonna spend on this, and we'll come in a bit, shall we? Yeah, because I was working on the face. So I've literally just I'd collaged the papers, and then I didn't want, I wanted to do a figure. That's what I was seeing. This is the first figure that came out, but I'm not going to work on her now. But she came out, and then I started using, I've got tissue paper, brown tissue paper, on top of the papers that I'd had, and I just thought it looked really nice. So I'm just going to spend some time doing this, and I hope that you feel inspired to do your own.